Okay, we're going to finish up the base plate here with dimensioning. We will have to add our symbols for counterbore and depth. How do we say that all four of these holes are the same? We know that two of them are, actually we would know that all four of them are, just based on the way they align in our other views. But we can add this. It's just a text override. We've done this before. So really nothing new here. Let's just go through this one. Overall length, overall width, and overall height. Height in the top or the right side view. We could have done length and width here in the top view. All would have been quite all right. We do have this base material thickness. Rib size, or rib width. And this one should fit in between the arrowheads. Actually, we only need to be at 2 decimal places. So let's see what that does to the fitment of this one. 2 decimal places for precision. We are back to using an inch format, but we are in decimals. Okay. Yeah, that still won't fit. So we're okay here. Hole placement. 0.62 and 0.62. And this one does fit in between the extension lines. What else? I feel that this one's missing a key piece of information. The placement of these ribs is not specified. We cannot assume that the feature is centered. So we need a dimension in order to place this. Crap. That would make us have to go to 3 decimal places. Alright, we'll just leave it off. I do wish it was there. This will solve the problem. We don't know the placement of that center cylinder. So that should solve the placement problem. Okay, we should just have holes left. Holes are always in diameter. Which one you dimension honestly does not matter. 1/2 inch. We can say that there are 4 of these. We do need that shoulder on the extension line, so you might have to adjust the placement afterwards. We need this outside diameter as well as the counterbore dimension. Select the outside diameter. So this is the piece of information that we do have. We need the counterbore symbol ahead of it and a depth symbol after. So we are going to go to symbols. These are not default symbols, so we do have to go to other. In our GDT file, I am looking to add first the counterbore symbol. So I will paste that in front. You can stretch this text box out. I need a depth of 0.12. So we'll get our next symbol and we'll add it right in here. So right here, I want to add a new symbol. Still in that GDT file, our depth symbol. I'll copy it and I will paste it. And we need the through hole dimension. The diameter symbol does exist. We'll just drop a line of text here. Diameter symbol at a 0.75. If you want to type in the text for through, Matching font size. We are using 1/8 inch font. So there I have it. Everything matches in terms of font size. We did specify where the center of this vertical cylinder goes. We have 4 holes that are the same size. I think that will just about do it. Okay. Looks pretty good.